Cryptocurrencies to watch for the week of April 10, 2023. The recent cryptocurrency market rally, partly fueled by the chaos in the United States banking sector, has hit a roadblock, with major assets such as Bitcoin, BTC, facing new resistance levels. At the same time, new developments expected to trigger an upward momentum seem to have also dried up. However, amidst this setback, some digital assets are worth keeping an eye on in the coming week, as they have the potential to break out from the general market. With that in mind, Finbold has compiled a list of the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch for the week of April 10th. Number 1. Cardano ADA. Cardano's ADA price is currently heavily dependent on network activities to trigger a rally, as the asset faces resistance at the 40-cent mark. In late March, ADA experienced a significant price surge in the double digits as network activity accelerated. Notably, the updated roadmap for Hydra, a Layer 2 scalability solution, has put ADA back in focus, providing developers with a means to increase transaction speed and lower costs on the network. The ADA community is also eagerly anticipating the benefits of the Valentine upgrade hard fork. The upgrade, introduced in February, is touted to improve security and interoperability on the network, setting a positive tone for the ecosystem's overall health. ADA was trading at 39 cents, with weekly gains of less than 0.5%. However, if a cryptocurrency successfully breaks through the 40 cents resistance level, it could have massive bullish implications for the future price. Under technical analysis, the one-day gauges retrieved from TradingView are largely bullish. A summary of the gauges recommends buy at 14, similar to oscillators at 2. Moving averages are for strong buy at 12. Number 2. Ethereum ETH. After facing resistance at $2,000 and experiencing a stalled rally, Ethereum ETH is now in the spotlight ahead of the Shapella hard fork scheduled for April 12. The event will allow investors to start withdrawing staked ETH, and the emergence of different entities offering restaking services will be interesting to monitor, as it could potentially affect the value of ETH. In this line, restaking can prevent an overflow of unstaked ETH in exchanges, reducing selling pressure, and combined with ETH burn, it could make Ethereum deflationary in the long term, potentially driving it to its bullish target of $2,000. If Ethereum breaches $2,000, it could trigger an altcoin rally. Technical analysis suggests that Ethereum looks great in the short term, with a textbook ascending triangle pattern currently being retested. If the breakout is successful, it could push Ethereum past $2,000. Ethereum was trading at $1,844 with daily losses of almost 1.5%. Number 3. Lido DAO, LDO. In addition to benefiting from the recent crypto market rally, Lido DAO, LDO, has also experienced gains due to developments in Ethereum staking. As a leading liquid staking platform for Ethereum and other assets, LDO is expected to benefit further once investors can access their staked Ether. Liquid staking solutions allow users to participate in ETH staking without the hefty minimum requirement of 32 ETH, while also allowing for unstaking at any time. Overall, in 2023, LDO has been consolidating along an uptrend line, which could potentially deliver more gains for investors if maintained. Furthermore, LDO has seen a significant increase in daily active addresses at the beginning of April, indicating growing investor interest in LDO. The Lido DAO community also focuses on the upcoming Lido V2 upgrade and its potential impact on the price action. LDO is trading at $2.33 with daily losses of over 5%. Number 4. Chiliz CHC. Despite the cryptocurrency market rally stalling, Chiliz CHC, a sports-themed digital asset, has remained among the top gainers due to increasing network activity. Investors are eager to see how the planned upgrades will impact the token's value. In particular, the Chiliz team recently announced plans to launch a new blockchain, which is expected to drive demand for the ecosystem's native token. Over the past year, CHC has consistently followed the general crypto market price movement and is currently targeting the 15 cents resistance as a short-term goal. By press time, CHC was changing hands at 13 cents with weekly gains of almost 7%. All of the above Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin recently led the cryptocurrency market in a rally but has since hit a roadblock at the $30,000 resistance level. As the second quarter of 2023 begins, investors are optimistic that Bitcoin will continue building on the gains made in the first 3 months of the year, outperforming most traditional investment products with a return of almost 70%. Attention has shifted to the maiden cryptocurrency as it attempts to breach the crucial $30,000 position. Analysts predict that if Bitcoin can maintain its support at $25,000, it may have room to rally toward $35,000. It's worth noting that Bitcoin has a history of rebounding from severe bear markets every 3 to 4 years, and Easter historically signals the start of a bullish run in the following weeks. Bitcoin is trading at $27,938, representing weekly losses of almost 0.3%. Although the highlighted cryptocurrencies have the potential to break out, it is crucial to monitor the unfolding of the latest developments in the coming week. Don't miss out on the latest official news and be a part of our thriving community. Join our Telegram channel now to stay informed and connected. Click the link in the description below to join and become a valued member. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel for daily crypto updates and comment below if you have any questions. Take care and see you in the next video.